Connect Shopify Forms to Go High Level. Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can connect Shopify Forms to Go High Level. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to come over here onto Shopify, right? And once you're over here, what you want to do is just simply click on Apps and Developments. So for that, you can just simply go into Settings. And over here, you have Apps and Sales Channels. Just simply click over here. And what you want to do is click on Develop Apps. All right, and then you want to turn on app development. I've already turned it on, but this form helps you. So you just simply go into apps, apps, and then you click on develop apps, and then you click on allow app development. And once you've done that, you just simply click on allow custom app development, and then create an app. And then you create an app, you add in the name of the app, and then you configure the admin API scopes. So let's go ahead and do that. So we all have already enabled app development. Now we just simply click on create app, add in the name. So I'm just simply going to call it Go High Level, right? Then simply click on create app. And once it's created, I can just simply click on configure admin API scopes. And then over here, you have the option to just simply select this option right here, search/scroll down to the orders, and you will need to enable the very least read orders access, right? So we scroll down right here. As you can see, we have orders, and now we just simply have to select read orders. Then what we need to do is then search/scroll down to products, and you will need to enable the very least read products. So now we go into products. Here we go, products. We select read products, and then we want to select the save button. Then we want to select the save button. We want to come over here, scroll up, click on save. And then we want to, after clicking on the save, then we want to click on install app button. Now we want to click on install app, agree to the terms and services. After that, you are good to go. Then you can reveal this token, right? I'm not going to reveal it. Over here, it says as well, you have to reveal the token and then copy the token over here and then go into Go High Level, and in integrations, you see that. Go into settings in integrations, you will see connect Shopify. Just simply click on it and then add in the API access token and the store name and click on connect, and then your Shopify store will be connected and you are good to go. And that is how you do it. That is how you connect your Shopify forms to Go High Level. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.